Hey guys, just doing a quick unboxing video of my Cuisinart. It's a Smartpower blender series. The reason I got this is I wanted to start doing some smoothies. And the nice thing about this is you get 4 16-ounce travel cups with the lids. You get a chopping cup, as well as you get a 32-ounce blender jar, which is that one there, and again 4 cups, and the chopping cup, which is great. Let's take a look at the box here, and I purchased this today at Canadian Tire. It was on sale for $79.99. I was looking at the Ninja blender. It's quite a bit more expensive. Nice thing about this, it has a 3-year warranty. Yeah, let's see what's inside. So once you open it up, you have your instruction manual, and it comes with some recipes too. And it seems to be quite well packed. There's some tops. And there it is. Let's get this out on the table. So this is everything that's in the box. It's really nice and packaged very well. So let's get all the plastic off and see what we actually have here. Alright, so we got everything all unpacked here. And again, it comes with 4 cups. These are 16 ounce or 473 milliliters. And they're nice, they have little tops on them. And there's also another top if you wanted to unscrew the, they call these sipping tops. You can actually unscrew that and put this part here on for travel. And it comes with a 0.9 liter or 32 ounce blending jar. And this is plastic. Everything here is plastic. And this small container, this is actually a 8 ounce or 236 mil chopping cup, and you can see it has the blades inside it here, and it just fits right on top of your mixer or blender. And there's your actual chopping part, and this actually just screws on to the bottom of your blending. And again, this is a 0.9 liter. And this is the unit itself. Again, it's a 350 watt. Has low, high, and pulse. And with all these cups, everything's BPA free, which means you're able to wash these and you're not going to have any issues with part of the plastic getting into your drinks and whatnot. So, in order to actually put on your blending jar, you actually just put it on, give it a little bit of a twist, and push down. And to take it off, it's just as easy as lifting up. There's the bottom of it. And one thing I like about this unit, it's got quite a bit of weight. It doesn't seem like it's cheaply made. Would have been nice if this was glass, I think more just for long-term durability with glass. It is plastic, but again, it's got a 3-year warranty on it, so we'll see how it holds up. And your smaller jar, again, it goes on like the big one. So let's actually give this thing a try and see how it performs. And one nice thing you can do, the small jar, you can actually unscrew the chopping part and actually put that on the bottom of your cup, and you can actually make your smoothies right in the cup. Once you're done, flip it over and put the top on. So before I make any smoothies, I'm going to give these a real good cleaning with hot soapy water. So I'm by far no means an expert on making smoothies. I have frozen banana, strawberries, milk, yogurt in here. Again, this is just something I winged. So next step is to put it on, and you know it's made contact when the red light's flashing. And let's put her on low, see what this does. So in order to turn this off when it's mixing, just press the button again. I just had it on low. You press the button again and it turns off. So this ran for maybe 20 seconds. So I'll flip her over and see how it mixed. I must say that is delicious. Again, all it is frozen bananas, strawberries, some strawberry yogurt, and milk, 2% milk. And I put it on the blender for less than 30 seconds, probably 20 seconds, and it made a delicious smoothie. It's not chunky. You chopped up all the frozen fruit without any issues. And it's nice and healthy. It's a homemade smoothie, so you know what's in it. Anyways, guys, just a quick review on the Cuisinart smoothie maker or blender. It works great, and I'll be using this a lot, hopefully, making some healthy drinks. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching. Take care. Have a great night.